Right, so we are on the final stages on the I-40. I need to go around with the wet vac on the seats to make them back nice. Then obviously we'll need a wash again. Just went around the interior, the door cards and everything yesterday. It's nice and tidy now. What I have to do are the seats. Then take some photos and it's ready to be listed for sale. Not before we have to fix the steering column knock. I've just been in touch with the guys from Milham yesterday. They asked me to get the code from a mechanic, and I spoke to the mechanic. He said he knows about it. Good thing that they don't need someone with a VAT and stuff like that to do it, so it's pretty much for it. Overall the system seems to work very well. We'll see if we'll get it fixed at the end. Well, let's get going with the seats now, and I'll update you afterwards. Then we're gonna do some painting on the Ford, on the silver one. So it's me again on another attempt to fix paint and do some small paint work around the body. So you can see we have the silver focus here. Yeah, the silver focus. We did have a scratch around here, really deep one. Yeah, that's the wind. It's mad today. And what I did, I just sand it all the way down here. I just applied some primer down here, so I scuffed all the way here. You can see the scratches, so I can blend the lacquer somewhere here. So I'm attempting to do it like the professionals do on YouTube. Yeah. Anyway, I just got a small. I have one of these small paint guns, spray paint gun, like 125 milliliters with really small tip and stuff like that, with 1 millimeter tip, something. And I will make an attempt to paint with that one this time and see if I can lay it down better. I think it will still be better to use the can in there, but I just got the paint gun and I don't have enough patience till the next job where I can use it maybe on the wheels, because that's the main reason I bought it, to use it on the wheels. But we'll see. But for now I will just try to fix this one to see if I can make it look presentable. Will not be professional, obviously, but let's hope it's gonna be at least decent. Right, so I'll just go dip the paint and my gun and see you in a bit. Right, so this is the toy, the best cheap Chinese one I found online on eBay. It's all been set up and stuff like that, so you are the witness of my first attempt of using a spray gun. Let's see how bad we're gonna do it. And the wind is crazy as hell. And I officially failed my first paint gun attempt. Um, so I had too much volume, too much paint volume in here, so I got really big run here, another one here, another one here, and another one here. Yeah, this is not a run, this is like well, something that's there. I got a big run here, another big run here. And this still doesn't, I don't know what to say. It looks a bit wavy. Anyway, I'll just spend some time on YouTube today. See how the other guys are doing it. And yeah, we'll see. I don't know, maybe too much pressure, but I think the gun had enough pressure. And I don't know, we'll see. I'll try again tomorrow to see what I can fix, if I can fix something. If not, I'll just sand it all the way down. I'll play a bit more with the gun, and hopefully tomorrow whole day I'll be able to sort it out. I played with it again, so I made the setup, so this time should be alright. I made some tasting, so we should be fine now. And now let's see what kind of bullshit we're gonna do again. Well, looks like I have mastered it. Sort of. The coat is a bit dry now, but I'll just leave this one to cure a bit. Then I'll just go with another coat. Yeah. Looks alright. I think I'll just get the heat gun now and see what else we can do. The biggest challenge anyway will be to apply the lacquer rather than the paint, but from this point of view, in the light is not that good here, but it seems to be alright. Yeah, ain't perfect, but more decent. Yeah, feels alright, seems alright. Fingers crossed. I just wait, leave it a bit to cure, then I'll add a second coat. And looks like I have mastered the gun. Yeah. There's a shade here which I don't like, but we'll see what we can do about that one later on. For now it's alright as it is. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, well, let's wait for it, and I will show you the final result when it's finished. Well, ain't bad. This is one transfer here, which is gonna be polished out, and this one is gonna be scuffed out, all this edge here. And there I have some paint transfer here, but that one will be easy to be taken out as well. Overall, this side here looks alright. The blend is quite decent. As I said, I'm not a professional. You can see somehow the edge, but on the camera, from what I see now, is a bit more prominent than in real life. But once this part here is gonna be sanded, all this way here like this, sanded well nicely, then with a bit of heavy cut, then with the finishing compound, would look like new, I'm telling you. Yeah. Right. Next on the line now, let's play with the wheels on this Hyundai, which aren't too bad, but they aren't too well either. So now we're gonna start prepping those up and then paint them over, all of them, all four, make it nice. this is our new anthracite gray, I think. Don't know, but looks fucking amazing. I like it. And I have my new toy here, which is Buddhist. Yeah, something. You read it. Yeah, it says here. This is the gun I got when we bought the compressor like last year. Never used it afterwards because it was like a package, but it's a low volume, low pressure gun. I think I will still have to play with it a little just to get the flow right, but overall does the job. And I'm just planning to use this one just for lacquer, because obviously when you applying the lacquer you have to get more clear coat down, you know, to make it shiny and to be protected. So overall we are happy for the beginning. And yeah, we're gonna do all these 4 wheels today. And yeah, I don't know what next tomorrow. I think next tomorrow will be the that one. Needs to be painted up on the bumper there. Interior is like really dirty, needs to be cleaned up and stuff. So yeah, easy steady, we're getting there. Here they are. Really nice and shiny. It's anthracite gray silver or anthracite gray metallic something is the paint code. And to be honest, working with my new toys, the small gun here and the big one here, which to be honest is not really helpful on this type of work, I would recommend the minigun, cheap one, is up to you, to do the painting and the lacquer as well. What you can get a minigun with a 1mm nozzle, and you can go 2 with 1mm nozzle. What I used as a materials, I just used for 2 wheels, you use one of these 125 milliliters of prep paint. So this includes the paint, the base coat, and the reducer as well, because you have to use some kind of like universal thinner. No, standard thinner, I think, yeah, something. Anyway, if you're buying it, you can buy the same thing, the thinner you need for it. And yeah, you need like at least, I would say 50-liter compressor will do as well for wheels. Like this is 100 liters here. Keeps up really well. Can't complain. I mean, you can paint continuously for 2 minutes before it starts running, but if you have like one of these pressure regulators, but anyway, I'm not getting into all these details because there are quite a lot of videos there from professionals, and I'm not a professional, so I will give advice to anyone. But yeah, the wheels are finished. Tomorrow I'll have to see what I can do with the paint on the Ford. Seems to be alright, but somehow I oversprayed on the side here, so but it just paint has been over the lacquer, and that will be easy to put this to take it out. So on this side here, so I just oversprayed on this area here. I don't know why and how, but otherwise you can see where it's blended. But this one here I will just sand it a bit as well and remove this edge here. This edge is a bit visible here. I just finished up with the lacquer on this way, this panel, but what I think I should have done, I should have just painted all the way here and go with the lacquer a bit more high here and go all the way here like that. I think this is what was better to do, but anyway, with everything is a learning curve, so I got the basics now. And when I'll have another one, I mean, definitely I'll have to do the other Ford. This is the automatic. I'll have to do this one again. This one needs to be repainted, but there's no damage here on this side. Just only the damage is only here, so I'll only have to go with the bumper. But I think I'll just paint all this area, or not. I don't know, because there's no reason yet to go into the panel, but it's got plenty of scratches as well. but I don't know, I'll just keep testing. He's got scratches here, he's got some lacquer feeling falling here, and here is quite rough condition, all this edge, so probably I'll just try to do it somehow all the way here on this area. I don't know, I will see. I have to clean it first, give it a wash, see exactly how the color the surface is, and we'll see from there. Yeah, so I will leave this video here now. Tomorrow, I mean in the next video, I will make a short description of what we bought last month, what money we made of it, where the cars were sourced, because mainly all the cars sold in April, they were from Facebook. All the cars we have, I mean some of them are still in here, I think. Not really. They all sold actually. Yeah, the Kia Rio sold. So that was the last. Oh, I still have the the one that probably is gonna stay here for ages. This one. The funny fact is that it's got a lot of viewings on Auto Trader, lots of viewings, but well, they had any calls anyway. But yeah, definitely the market is low, really low at the moment. The demand is not there at all. So probably it's gonna be quiet this month, and probably next month as well. And probably it's gonna be much more busy after the school starts. I don't know, you tell me. I haven't been in this business long enough.